Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be learning about how to find out the median this time. So how do we find out the median? So actually finding out the median is easy. So we know how to find out the median, okay? We know the formula of it. The formula is just order them up from least to greatest or from greatest to least. Find the number in the middle. Simple. So let's get started. So numbers equals to an empty list. Number of, I was supposed to say underscore. Number of numbers equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your number of numbers. So we can copy it. Okay. Now what we have to do is simple. For I in range. For I in range. Number of numbers. Now all we have to do is just write down a number. So number equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your number. That's it. Now we have to add it in the list. So simple. Numbers dot append. Numbers dot append number. And then print numbers. Print numbers. Now after that, we have to find the median. Not the median, yeah? We have to actually sort it. So for that, what we have to do is use a function called sort. Numbers.sort. This would do, so this would do like least to greatest. Okay? So we need to print numbers. Yeah, good. Oh, numbers. Double S, sorry. So after that, just find the median. So remainder equals to number of numbers divided by 2, so percentage 2, we would say. Now if remainder equals to 0, we would have middle 1 equals to number of numbers quotient 2, so double divided by 2, so quotient 2. Then middle 2 would equal to middle 1 minus 1. Is this correct? Yeah, that's correct. Now median, for median equals to numbers, and then middle 1 plus numbers, middle 2. And then that's it. Divide by, then after that, divide by 2. Now print our median. Print median. So this is for remainder 0. But if it's not, so else we could just say, so simple, middle number of numbers divided by 2. Double divided by 2. Then print numbers middle. Okay, guys. So let's run the code and see what happens. Okay, guys. So just run it. Sorry. So let's say 5, 6, 4, 9, 7, 10. So see, it writes the list first, then writes it in ascending order technically. Now writes our median. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to find the median. I hope you like it and bye.